So I finally took some time to get my daughter's room together, and I'm gonna show you with a room tour today. It's so cute. I cannot wait to show you guys, so let's go, come on. Okay, so welcome to her room. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. First thing I'd like to talk about is my star map. I'm so excited to be partnering with Mapiful for a portion of this video. They were kind enough to send me this beautiful map. I actually designed it myself. So what it is that you pick a relevant date to you. For me, it was September 13th, 1952. So you pick that date, you pick the place. They will create a map of what the sky looked like that day. You can choose whether or not to have constellations, and I also did the grid, longitude and latitude. I specifically chose to do that because I liked the look of it. But let me tell you a little bit about this map. The reason why I chose September 13, 1952, Kailua, Hawaii. September 13th is my grandma's birthday. My grandmother was the most important person to me, and she passed a few days after my daughter was born. So she didn't really get to meet Summer, and it was really sad. It's a really emotional thing for me. And I wanted a way to kind of have my grandma with my daughter all the time, and I thought this would be an amazing way to do that. It is an amazing gift for anybody if you're looking to get a gift for the holiday or anything like that, because when I pulled it out, like I got a little bit teary-eyed. Will allow you to give someone a gift that will probably make them cry. Because I'm getting a little teary-eyed talking about it. It's a really thoughtful gift, and there's a lot of ways to customize. I decided to hang it in her room so she'll always be nearby my little daughter. So thank you, Mapiful, for working with me for a portion of this video. I absolutely love it. There's a lot of different options to choose from as far as how you want your map to look. You can even pick different color frames. I think there's black, white, and there might even be brown. I actually chose to go with this little thing that's kind of like a poster hanger. I just really liked the look of it. If you guys would like to order your own, there is a link down below, so please go ahead and check out that link. And yeah, let's get on with the tour. I'm gonna start with this thing. This is actually a little bit of a shadow box. We put it just before the entrance. This is my partner's favorite item that he got for my little daughter. We actually found it at the swap meet, so it was an awesome little find. All right, so the next item we have is my Thomas Kincaid print. If you know Thomas Kincaid, you know he does a lot of landscapes, but he also does Disney landscapes. So I had to have this one, of course, because I'm a Disney freak. So we have Beauty and the Beast over here. Next, we have this cute little, I don't know, cloud with raining hearts. She is summer rain after all, so we had to have a little bit of rain in here. Our crib is from Bye Bye Baby. It's just a regular crib that will transform into a child's bed when the time is right, but right now, she's just in the crib, so no big deal. This pillow I got from Home Goods. It's so cute. It looks like it's handmade, but it's not. I actually purchased it like that, and it's a little unicorn. And this one right here is something that my mom actually got made for my daughter Summer, so it says her name down below, and it's a unicorn. I don't know where she got it, but I will try and find out, and I'll link it in the description box below. This little blanket right here is something that also has a unicorn on it. I'm really excited that unicorns are kind of popular right now, because unicorns were actually my thing for a while when I was a kid. So I'm able to find a lot of unicorn stuff and put it in Summer's room. And then I have just a few stuffed animals here. So this one, oh, and this one obviously plays music. It's got a little wind up in the back. This is just a little blankie with a little cloud on the top of it. And this one we got on Summer's first trip to Hawaii. So I got this for her. It says Aloha Hawaii, and it's got a little flower in the hair. It's very cute. This thing is super, super important. It's another really special item in this room. It's a stained glass. It was something that my papa, or my great-grandfather, had made. It was something that was hanging in my grandma's room when she passed. It was left to me. I wanted to make sure that I had it in the window close to her bed, so it's kind of like my grandma shining down on her all the time. I'm sappy. Yeah, this room is pretty much all about my grandma and Summer, so a lot of those sort of themes that I kept in mind when I was designing it. That is handmade, it's very old, and we had to be very careful hanging it, obviously. I do have a stepdaughter, her name is Autumn, so we have summer and autumn. So the A is for autumn, and obviously the S is for summer. These are actually made by my sister. Thank you, sister. And right here I have my white noise machine because the baby needs it to sleep. She needs a lot of noise, so you can adjust it different ways. And I actually found that I really loved this thing, and I got it from Target. So this little rocking chair is actually a real rocker. I really wanted to make sure that I got an actual rocking chair because I just think they're so sweet, and it kind of reminds me of when I was a kid. So I got this one. We actually got it secondhand. A lot of the stuff that we have is secondhand, and also from the swap meet. We really love a bargain. I mean, we love nice things, but we also love to get them at a very good price. But you'll kind of see that as a theme with me. I get a lot of things secondhand. If it's beautiful, why not? And you're upcycling. Save the environment. And then this little thing is just from Target. You might have seen it in my office tour. I will link that in the description box as well, and I'll also link it above for you if you would like to watch that. That is Las Vegas themed, and it's very fabulous, so go ahead and check that out. Up here I have all of Summer's books. Most of them were gifts. Everyone's been so generous with her first birthday and her baby shower, and I have a lot of wonderful books, so thank you guys so much. I have these bookends right here that are just coral. These little things that my grandma got me, it says first tooth and first curl. I don't think she's gonna have any curls. So what I put in here, maybe it sounds a little gross, and actually it kind of looks a little gross looking at it, but it's her umbilical cord is in there, so. And then I'll just save that one for her first tooth. This little crown I got on Summer's first birthday. Well, Summer got on her first birthday. It was from our princess party that we had for her. Princess, I should say, Disneyland themed party that we had for her. They crowned her the princess for the day, so I saved this crown and I just keep it in her room because it's so adorable, and that was such an amazing party. Also, I have the video up of that, so if you'd like to see that, I will also link that in the description box below, and I will link it up top right now for you so you can check that out too. It was so cute. This little thing is a little doll that I got from Hawaii. This was actually from Summer's first trip to Hawaii. She's so cute little doll, and she actually plays music. Just have my little Totoro. This little rabbit I got from the swap meet. It actually had a tag on it still when I bought it, and I got it for $1. The scent of the room also is Golden Bamboo. That's the same scent I had in my office. If you just checked out my office tour, that is the scent of the Hilton Waikoloa on the Big Island of Hawaii. It's my favorite smell ever. It's amazing. So I pick this up every time I go to the Big Island. Up at the very top, I have a little Cinderella carriage, I guess. It's got some flowers in it. I got that from the swap meet too. This little side table, I wanted something to be able to set water on when I was breastfeeding my baby. If you're a mom, you know the thirst. I got this thing from Home Goods. It is marble on the top, so it's really nice. This lamp we actually got from the swap meet as well. Man, I get a lot of stuff from the swap meet. I really love a bargain. This was such a score, and I loved it, and so blingy. It's very me, so I put this in her room. This item is actually also a shadow boxy sort of little thing. I got that from the swap meet as well. Guess how much? $1. Yes, you heard correctly. $1 for that thing. It was awesome. It was a great score. I love the swap meet. Also, I will be doing a video on a swap meet haul I recently did. I bought so much stuff. This is actually one of the things, so I will get that video up soon, and I'll show you guys all the crazy stuff that I find at the swap meet and the amazing prices. Stay tuned for that. I also have a Himalayan salt lamp. Light burnt out a while ago, but it's cute and pink, so I left it. I haven't changed the light bulb. I also use this VTech baby monitor. It doesn't require any internet, and the picture is actually really great, and it comes with 2 cameras, so I recommend this for a baby monitor. It works really extremely well. And of course, hand sanitizer, because I'm a mom. This little canopy thing I got from Target. I got it before Summer was born. I wasn't sure how I was gonna use it, so I ended up just putting it over the little diaper changing station. It does, I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but it does ombre down into a little bit of a light pink. This changing station was something that I did get secondhand. I got it on OfferUp from a military family who was moving. They were trying to sell it really quickly, so I did snag an amazing deal for this. I got this for $20. Nothing special, but I have my diaper genie right here to keep the room not smelling like dirty diapers. I have another lamp over here that did come as a set with the other one, so it matches the room, which I really love, except for it's tall. We don't play too much in here, so she's never alone where she can pull this on top of herself. But when she gets older, of course, I am gonna have to bolt it to the wall. So let's talk about this one. So actually, this was also something that we had in storage for a long time. Actually, my partner had it before we were even together. He had gotten it from the swap meet. It's so beautiful. I mean, I wonder how some of these things end up at the swap meet. The frame is acrylic, and this is hand water painted. So I don't know who the artist is. I've actually been trying to research and try and find the artist so I can just tell them, hey, I have your artwork, but I haven't been able to find them yet. This one is called Spirit of the Rainbow Lady. It went really well in this room, and we were excited to finally be able to have a room to use it in. So we put it up here, and it's a nice little soft accent to the room. Over here, I have a little box that was given to me for Summer's first birthday, and I simply keep all her important things that I want her to have when she's older. These dolls were from Target. They are so cute. I love these dolls. These are my favorite dolls that she has. So these three were from Target, and this one's just a little ballerina. This one is a mermaid, and this one is just a cute little girl, I guess. I don't know what she's supposed to do. They're $16.99 a doll, so they're quite expensive for a doll, but I just think they're so precious, so I had to get them. This one, however, this one is not from Target. This was a really special thing to me. When I was pregnant with Summer, I was showing my grandma, oh my gosh, look at this like cute little website. They do handmade dolls. And I showed her the little mermaids, and she said, pick one out. And so I picked this one out, and this was the one that my grandma wanted to buy for Summer. This is really the only thing that my grandma ever bought for Summer, was able to before she passed. It's special to me, and I want to make sure that I don't lose it. So it's with all the other little handmade looking dolls. So that's my little doll collection for Summer. Last but very not least, the closet. Oh my God, could you just die? I have so many clothes for Miss Summer, and a lot of them I got at the swap meet, actually, secondhand or as gifts. I actually use my closet for her storage space because there's no closet for the baby's room. So I use this shelf for all her little shoes. If you saw my fall baby haul, I got these. And also, I did get these, but I didn't put them in the fall haul because I mean, they're not fall, they're more summery. I did not include them because they're not very fall, but look how cute are these Uggs! I just die. Some saltwater tappies, which I have a matching pair. Look at that! I cannot wait for her to fit in those. Have some of her sunglasses, her shoes. These are from the fall haul as well. Some little Vans that I hope she fits in soon. These I got from the swap meet. They are legit from the 90s. Some beanies. Look at these. They're not very practical. I have a hard time believing that she's going to be able to actually walk in them. Look at these. Oh, stop it right now. Those actually fit her now, I think. Some little rain boots, a cute little beanie. These are the juicy boots that I got for the fall haul from Bye Bye Baby. I will link that in the description box below. I did a fall baby haul video a few weeks ago, so those are on there. I also have some more juicy shoes for when Summer gets older. These were also from, I think, Marshalls. Let's see. Yeah, they were from Marshalls, and they were on sale. See, $16. I get everything at a good price. I do not like paying full price for anything. These cute little shoes are secondhand. These I got from the swap meet as well, but they still have a tag on them. I think they were from, Old Navy originally. But look at these little cute guys. And then these like little knee-high boots. Oh my goodness. My favorite of all are these cute little Doc Martens, authentic Doc Martens. I did get them from the swap meet. They do have a little imperfection, you could see it right there. But honestly, I don't mind very much because they're white boots, and I'm pretty sure she's gonna destroy them the first time she wears them. So really, I can be okay with $20 Doc Martens with little imperfection on them. Yes, this is Summer's closet, and no room tour would be complete without a tour of the closet. Thank you so much for checking out Summer's room tour. I'm so glad I finally got it done. Thank you so much to Mappyful for partnering with me for a portion of this video. Again, if you want to check out their maps, the link is in the description box below. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below and also subscribe and hit that bell button so that you can get notified every time I do an upload. I do a lot of travel vlogging, and I also do kind of like shopping and lifestyle. So thanks so much, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.